Alright, welcome back everybody to this is a special video that I'll be doing for you guys on the Meat Church Rub. This is going to be a review to help you guys out on what to get. So maybe you just got into the whole smoking, you just got your Traeger, you just got your pit balls, you got any pellet grill that you just got, and now you're thinking, what's a good rub? And if you start looking, come to find out there's so many different rubs out there. I've been there. When I first started, that was the main thing I wanted to know, is what's a good rub. And so then I finally found these guys. I tried the Weber rub, I tried the Traeger rub, I've tried the How to Barbecue Rights rub. I've tried all those and other rubs that no names, you just saw them at the store and I got them. So after trying all those different types of rubs, this is the brand that I just stick to a lot. You'll see a lot of the videos that I do. This is what I like. So I figured I'd help you guys out to pick. When you go to their website, there's all these rubs. And these are pretty much the majority. I think I might be missing one or two maybe, or maybe this is it. I haven't checked lately. But here it is. Meat Church, I believe Meat Church's main rub is this guy. This is their barbecue rub. And this bad boy goes with beef, chicken, deer, veggies. But they also suggest that other people like it in chicken. I like it in pork, so I use this in my ribs. And this was the first one that I bought, and I keep buying because I like it. Now these two guys right here, these also are really good. Now this is for pork. These guys are for pork, chicken, fish, and popcorn. Yep, people put this in popcorn, and Meat Church says this also goes in popcorn. I haven't tried it yet. Maybe I will. So that's what these two are. But I don't consider these two the main ingredient on whatever you're smoking. Like for instance, when I do ribs, this is my main ingredient, and then I add one of these two on top of this. So yes, so to use this as just your, this is the only thing, only one of them like if you're doing pork chops and you just add this, I feel like it's not enough flavor. Like this is a number two. All right, like this is Jordan and this is Pippin. You need this guy to help this guy out. So when I do my ribs, once again, I add this and then I top it off with this. Then it makes it really good. Same goes for this guy. And this is not too hot, because it says it's hot. It's not that hot. It's okay. It's good enough. It tastes good. So I like both of these. Now the Fajita one is for beef, chicken, and shrimp. Now this is really good because I tried this on chicken, and this was the first time using it barely. I just bought this one and I used it and I was like, wow, this is good. Good for the chicken. And then it has a nice flavor. They all have nice flavor. But this one, I don't know, this is the one I'll be using for my chicken. So that's the one you'll be using. Future videos when I do chicken, it's probably going to be the guy. So now we're going with Holy Voodoo. Holy Voodoo goes with pork, chicken, fish, and shrimp. That's what they suggest you use this for. This was made for that. And you can see a lot of these you can use this on chicken. This one, you can use it on chicken. So they all, you pretty much use them all for whatever you're doing. But this is what they have it for. So now we come with the Gospel All-Purpose Rub. Now, this one goes with anything. That's what they have on their site. It goes with anything. So that's what you would use this for if you're looking to buy some. Now, for me personally, if I had to pick, it's my first time going, right? You guys are there and you guys want to say, I'm going to buy one. Like I did. I bought one first. Test it out. Then that's how I branched out to the rest. But if you guys are going to buy one, I would suggest this guy. This guy is my favorite from all of these. This is the one that I have a backup. In case this one runs out, I have a backup. Not these. This one I do. And if you guys are going to buy only one and give it a try, give this guy a try, because this is really damn good. I like this guy. Second favorite are these two. as a pair, because sometimes I want to go with sweet and honey, sometimes I'm going to go with sweet and a little hot. So these two are always in the middle, where I'm like, should I go with this, should I go with this, or should, and it just depends. But these two are my second one that I order a lot. This is my number one that I order all the time. And if you look at my purchases, these two are always there too. So these three are the ones that I get a lot of. I use a lot of it, are these two. Now, my least favorite, the one that I am not gonna buy no more, I just did not like it. I have to use it because I'd rather just use it and get it over with. Do you guys want to guess? Well, it's not this one. You guys want to guess? It's this guy. I just do not like the taste, the flavor this gives. I don't like it. Nope. No. So I would say do not get this one. This one I didn't like, and I'm not buying again. So this is the only time when this runs out. As you can see, I haven't used it. I just don't like it. So I might just throw it away. But some of you might like it. Don't get me wrong. If you guys still want to try it out, try it out. Because everybody has different taste buds. Everybody likes this, everybody likes that. You don't like this, I like that. You don't, you do, I don't. So here you guys go. The prices for all these, I think they're $10 a piece, each one. I know they have bundles. I think I bought these all separate instead of the bundle, and the only reason I did not buy the bundle is because they came with this guy, and I didn't want no more. So I figured I'd just, instead of this one, because on the bundles, either it was, some of them I wanted one, but the other one didn't have it. The other one had that, but it didn't have this one. So I figured I'd just buy them one at a time. Yes, I think you pay, I think if you buy the bundle, you save $5, a couple bucks. But I wanted to try this guy. So, and the bundle that I wanted didn't have this guy, so I figured I'd go buy them separate. So, there you guys go. $10 a piece or $9 a piece. Meatchurch.com. And so let me know in the comments, what's your favorite rub? Is it one of these guys? Is it all of them? Is it Weber? Is it Traeger? I'll be doing other reviews on the Traeger rubs. I'll be doing a review on the Weber. We'll even have a versus one. Meat Church #1 rub versus How to Barbecue Right #1 rub. Head to head. Which one is better? They're both good, but it's going to come down to the wire. That'll be on a future video coming up. So make sure you guys like this. Comment on what you guys think about it. What do you guys like? Or any other rubs. Check out these videos. Subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.